The Repair Fair Adventure. Last Saturday, Claire and her friends dared to join the repair fair in the town square. The air was clear, but the challenge ahead was far from fair. They were to repair broken chairs, tear old fabric, and prepare spare parts for anyone who cared to share their skills. Blair, the cleverest of the pair, declared, "We'll repair more than anyone here." Their team compared tools, prepared materials, and carefully repaired what others thought beyond repair. A scared volunteer stared at a cracked mirror, but Claire reassured her with a cheerful flair. Everywhere, the fair was filled with repairers who shared ideas, compared designs, and even paired up to take on tougher tasks. By the end, their teamwork was beyond compare. The mayor declared them the Repair Fair champions, and Claire could hardly bear the pride she felt in the fresh, fair air. A rare reward earned through care, courage, and flair.